Hello and welcome to the Garden Light Shop. In this video I'm just going to be talking about what happens if you damage a cable in the garden on one of our systems. It can happen. A gardener can chop through something, you're doing a bit of hedge trimming or something like that, you chop through a cable. Recently we had one where a wall light was, the cable was going down the fence and the neighbour put a nail through it from the other side and damaged the cable. The good thing with our system is you don't have to throw the light away or the cable away and start again. It can be repaired. It's 12 volt, it's safe, you can do it yourself. We do a few little kits that will help you join it back together, but our system is not polarity conscious. So you've got two cables, okay, it doesn't matter whether you connect them back that way or that way, okay, providing they're connected copper to copper like that, it'll work. Okay, so the first one we do is we do a rescue kit. We call it All Available Online. It's a little gel filled box. In that, you come with a set of connectors. You put your cable, clean your cable, strip the insulation back, put it in either side. Okay, so it's a little terminal block. Open up the box. There's full of gel in there. Put the connector in, shut the box down, wipe the gel away. That's sorted. I'd always, once you put the cable in and out the terminal, strip there, little connector, test it before you put it in the gel box, because it can get a little bit messy if you've got to open it up again because it is gel. If you've got the lighter duty SPT1 cable that we do, and that's present on a lot of the lights, so the cable that comes off the light that goes onto the main cable invariably is SPT1. We do a little snap connector which comes with end caps and that sort of thing. This comes in a pack of two, so it will do two breaks if you like. The first kit only does the one. If you've got SPT2 flex cable system and you cut through it by mistake, you can repair it with a male and a female. That was the other way around. A male and a female and a set of end caps. So you've got one cut end, you put your male on it. Okay, the other cut end, you put the female near the end, put some end caps right on the end and plug the two together, and that will connect the cable back together. Probably the right way of doing it for the flex cable system, the SPT2, but these two are great for all other cables. Again, if in doubt, just give it as a shout. If you notice that half of your system's gone out and it's probably because something's cut the cable, don't keep running the cable. We'd always advise you to switch it off at the transformer. So just to eliminate the fact that you could get an electrical short, not electrical shock, which could cause more damage to the system, i.e. to the transformer, if you kept it running for any length of time. Just switch it off. Either have a look on our website and get one of these kits. If you're unsure, give us a call, let us know what's happened, and we can advise the best way, which kit to use to reconnect the cable together. But just to reiterate, don't go replacing cables or light fittings or anything like that if it's damaged. 99% of the time we can repair it and get it sorted. Now if you're really stuck, we can get the light back here. Unfortunately there's a cost associated to it, or you can send it back and we can do a heat shrink joint on it, so a permanent heat shrink joint, and then get it sent back to you. So always give us a shout. If something happens, don't think you've got to throw it all away and start again or anything like that. That's not the idea of our system. We can repair anything. So just contact us via the normal channels. Thank you for watching.